Alright, I had to check back in real quick, y'all. I think I definitely might have blew the dash on the Audi. I was motherfucking moving and grooving on my way to Cub Foods. But I think I definitely blew the dash on this bitch, man. But we're gonna see real quick what it's looking like. Alright, y'all. So I'm starting her up now, but my whole little middle thing is gone. Like my cluster where I usually be able to see the damn speed that I'm going, see if I have any, you know what I'm saying, tire pressure, all that good shit. All that shit is gone. And with the display, I'm usually able to control it right here by this, but as you can see, as I press the buttons,
navigation is not active.
I'm not getting nothing. And then this right here is how you control it right here on the joint. Still not getting nothing. Damn, I think I just blew the damn. Fuck. So I guess I'm gonna have to hit up my guy Andy, and see how much, or see if he got any Audi dashes laying around. But shit, damn, that's what speed can get me, man. You know what I'm saying? But shit, it's something like something slight. I'ma do a little research for y'all, and then I'm gonna get back to you. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, I think it should be like a quick fix. Honestly, it may be a light bulb. You never know with these Audis. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do a little research on this shit, see if I can get it fixed. You know what I'm saying? See if I can damn near even fix the shit myself. You know? But we're gonna see how the shit all go. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. But damn, I think I just blew the dash on the Audi. Ain't that some shit? I definitely wanted to give y'all a night video too, man, cause this shit getting kind of crazy. This shit definitely completely gone. I literally just turned the switch on. I'm trying everything, but the crazy thing about it is the steering wheel controls still work, and normally I would still be able to see it on here, and the steering wheel controls control the thing on there. But like if I roll, let's see if I could do this. If I roll this down, right? Y'all see the little knob? 88.1. If I roll this down, boom, and click, roll down, click. You see that? Roll down, click. Roll down, click. You see it's changing. Like, the motherfucker, I don't know what's going on, man. You see that? Like, and I'm doing all of this with this joint right here. With the middle, where you would normally see that shit's finito. So as I said, I'm gonna definitely keep y'all posted. So I'm on my way to the crib now. I'm about to get online and see what I can find. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We're gonna get this shit back together. Back together. Hood rich. On my